Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer your single-player Minecraft world to your Pine hosting server. Before we start, it is important to know that client-side mods and game version matter when transferring your world. Make sure to check if your server is set to the right game version and upload all mods you use on your world before continuing. For this tutorial, we will be using a vanilla Minecraft server on the latest version. So to start, the first thing you'll need to do is press the Windows key and R key on your keyboard to open the Run window and find your Minecraft world saves. To do that, type this in your Run command line. You can also find it in the description below to easily copy it. Then click OK, and this should take you directly to your local Minecraft world saves. Once you're there, find the world you want to transfer and right-click on it. Then hover over Send To and select Compressed Zip Folder to compress it. Then you will need to log into your game panel and select the server you want to work on. You will then need to head over to your Settings tab. This is where you will find the Launch SFTP button. If you already have an FTP client installed on your PC, like WinCP, this button will automatically launch and connect your FTP client to the server. We also have a full video on how to transfer files with an FTP client if you want a more detailed process. We will also put a link of that in the description below. We are going to go with the button option, so just click on Launch SFTP and then Open Link. Now we will need to enter our password. The password is the same one you use to access your game panel. Once you enter your password, click OK. Once your FTP client is open, simply drag your zip file into the root directory of your server to transfer the file. Now that this is done, if we head back to our panel and then go into File Manager, we will see that our zip folder is right there. Right-click on it and click on Unarchive to extract the contents, and feel free to delete that zip file right after. Now look for the world file and make sure that the name of the world has no special characters or spaces. Ours has a space, so we will go ahead and rename that by right-clicking on the file and then click on Rename. Adding an underscore or simply removing the space altogether should just do it. Then click on Rename to save the changes. Then head over to your Easy Config tab and look for the world name under World Settings. Here you will need to change the world name to the exact name of your world. We used Pine_tutorial, so we're gonna use the exact same name here again. When you're done, click Save and restart your server from the Console tab to load your server. And that's it. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.